Trichomonas is a parasite, and a very unpleasant one, which is really quite something given that parasites tend to be generally unpleasant to begin with. Trichomonas hates birds. In fact, he really hates them. What he hates most about birds is their singing. All day, every day, he hears them tweeting and twerting, cooing and crowing. It makes him angry. One day, he decided he was going to do something about it, so he came up with the idea to infect the birds. He infected them in the mouth and the throat, giving them horrible lesions, which didn't directly stop the singing, but it stopped them from doing other things with their mouth, like eating, and so they very often died. Not happy with infecting just one type of bird, Trichomonas went after other types of birds. He was soon infecting birds all over the world. And because the humans didn't clean their feeders very often, it meant he could infect lots of birds in one place. Eventually, some scientists had a look at the dead birds and found out what was happening. They then made sure to tell other humans that they must clean their bird feeders once a week to kill Trichomonas and put a stop to his evil shenanigans.